Eyewitness weather forecast.
Clouded in for much of the day today with a few light flurries, but temperatures were able to warm up nicely. We've seen lots of thawing throughout the day. We got into the upper 30s and even low 40s in some spots. We're still very mild out there at this hour. We do have a cold front approaching, though. That's kicking up some flurries, mainly in the North Country right now. You'll also see some green on the radar. It is warm enough that in the valleys, as the front moves through, we could see some rain showers overnight tonight. And temperatures will be slow to cool, but they will eventually get into the single digits in the North Country, teens for the rest of us by early morning tomorrow. And temperatures stay in the teens tomorrow. You'll see that will be our warmest in the morning, falling down into the single digits there tomorrow evening. And the wind chill factor will make it feel closer to 0. Now you see in the futurecast tonight, we have that chance for rain showers, some light flurries outside of the valley. Then as cold air flows in later on tonight, any remaining showers will be changed over to just snow, a dusting possible, if anything, by morning tomorrow. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy in the morning. We do have a chance for a few flurries tomorrow, but we'll get some sunshine to break out as well. A pretty quiet day, though very cold and windy. Then as we roll forward here into Friday, beautiful sunshine here on Friday. It'll be another very frigid day, but we'll have wall-to-wall sunshine and a nice quiet day there to end off the week. Now looking ahead to the trends for next week, our region is expecting to see colder than average temperatures. That's next week, the 25th through the 28th of January. And that's when we would typically see our coldest temperatures of the year. You can see our average high temperature all next week, 29 degrees, and our average nighttime temperature, a low of 12 degrees. That's for the whole week next week. So if we're expecting colder than average temperatures, we're expecting most of the days to end up below 29. Lots of nights in the single digits as well. Looks like we'll have at least one day close to normal next week with the storm coming through, but lots of teens, and that cold air is here to stay. So tonight we're down to 17 eventually late night. We'll see a few light rain or snow showers. Tomorrow flurries are possible, but otherwise mostly cloudy. 17 is our high tomorrow as well, and it'll feel like the single digits close to 0 because of the wind. We're well below 0 tomorrow night, down to -11, so expect a brutally cold morning on Friday. We're only up to 12 Friday afternoon and sub-0 again Friday night. Teens on Saturday. Looks like we'll manage 20s on Sunday. We've got a few flurries coming through there. Cloudy during the day on Monday, and snow expected Tuesday of next week as well. Tuesday, that's our one day close to normal. Other than that, it's teens and low 20s. Jamie?
Thanks, Colleen. Here's a look at
now, your Eyewitness weather forecast.
Cloudy today, but lots of thawing happening for us as we got above freezing this afternoon. We had a few peaks of some distant sunshine as the sun went down earlier on this evening. We only have a few more days, by the way, where our sun sets before 5 p.m. Starting this weekend, it'll be setting at 5 or later, so staying light well past that. Right now, we're still sitting at a mild 38 degrees in Utica. We do have a bit of a wind right now, though, 12 miles an hour. Warm temperatures and a good breeze really tends to eat away at the snowpack. So we're going to continue to see melting here, but only for a couple more hours. Temperatures will eventually drop down below freezing, and by late night, early morning, we're all the way down to 17 in Utica, 6 in Old Forge, 19 in Oneonta. So black ice will be a concern later tonight and especially early tomorrow morning. Just be aware of that. Give yourself a little extra following distance. And temperatures are going to stay in the teens all day tomorrow. Feels a lot different than it did today. We'll get down to the single digits around dinner time tomorrow evening, and we will have a wind chill factor as well, so it's going to feel closer to 0 actually for a good portion of the day tomorrow. Now you see on the futurecast here tonight, we do have the chance for a few flurries, but most of us just have a mostly cloudy and quiet night, and that'll be the story for tomorrow as well. Small chance for flurries, but we'll get into some sunshine and have a pretty quiet day actually, just cold and breezy. Then it's wall-to-wall sunshine here Friday morning, and we'll have another very chilly day there on Friday, but dry. We don't have to worry about any rain or snow there to wrap up the week. Now we're looking ahead to the trends for next week, and you know what the blue means. Colder than average temperatures are expected for us. This is the 25th through the 28th of next week, so that's Monday through Friday, and our average high temperatures are actually the same all week long. Our high 29, our average low temperature is 12. So if we're going to be colder than average, you can expect a lot of days in the teens. We will have at least one day where we'll get close to normal like this, but it looks like lots of teens and lower 20s for us on the horizon next week. Tonight we're down to the teens. Eventually we'll get down to 17. You'll see that wind shift, and it's a cold and breezy day tomorrow. Small chance for flurries. Otherwise, a pretty quiet day, and the same for Friday with a lot of sunshine there at the end of the week. But tomorrow night and Friday night, wind chill temperatures will be a concern. You can see our lows, -11 tomorrow night and -9 on Friday night. That means when you add in the wind chill, it's going to be -15 to -20. So get ready for a frigid couple of mornings going into the weekend. We've still got teens Saturday, 20s will manage Sunday with a chance for some snow there. And again, Tuesday of next week, that's our one day near normal. But other than that, we definitely have some chilly days ahead. We've got more Eyewitness News ahead for you. Sports is next with David Edelstein. Stay right here.
Look at Eyewitness weather forecast.
This is a live view through our iNet weather camera. By the way, you can get these any time of day on cnyhomepage.com. Pretty quiet out there this evening. And I don't know if you can notice here, I was noticing it just a few minutes ago. The camera is actually bouncing around a little bit because of how windy it is out there right now. Howling at a good 15 miles an hour, but it's actually a warm breeze in Utica at the moment. We're still above freezing at 35 degrees. The cold front is making its way through though, and we will see temperatures start to plummet later on tonight, getting down to the single digits in the North Country. Teens for the rest of us, 17 tonight in Utica, and we'll stay in the teens tomorrow. Temperatures not rising much, if at all, maybe a degree or two. We're in the teens for much of the day, falling into the single digits as soon as we lose the sunshine tomorrow in the evening hours. Now, with the wind chill is going to be the bigger story tomorrow. You can see tomorrow in the afternoon, here's 1:30. We already are seeing sub-zero wind chills. Feels like 10 below in Old Forge tomorrow in the afternoon. So as we head into tomorrow night, wind chills are going to get colder and colder. By 8 a.m. on Friday, feels like -15 to -20s at the start of the day on Friday, and we're expecting a nearly just as cold day on Saturday as well. So those brutally cold wind chills in the morning, you're going to want to bundle up as much as possible Friday morning and Saturday morning. Now, tonight, we do have a small chance for a few light flurries. Otherwise, though, it's a pretty quiet, mostly cloudy night. And tomorrow, we'll have a chance for flurries as well. But we'll end up with some good sunshine, and it's a pretty quiet day, just cold and breezy for us there. And then as we roll it forward to Friday, we're looking at wall-to-wall sunshine here to end the week. A nice dry day. Still very cold and a little bit breezy at the end of the week, but nice and quiet at least. And that trend will continue on Saturday as well. The long-term trends for next week do indicate a colder than average pattern for us. Average high next week would be about 29 degrees. So that means we'll see a lot of days in the teens and lower 20s. We'll have at least one day near normal, it looks like, but we will see the cold when we would normally expect our coldest temperatures at the end of January. That's the case this year. So light rain and snow showers possible tonight. We will eventually start dropping down and get into the teens. Tomorrow we stay in the teens. So our high 17 in Utica tomorrow. Small chance for flurries. Otherwise, it's a quiet but cold and breezy day. We're down well into the sub-zero temperatures tomorrow night. Wind chills will be even colder. Friday, our highs only 12 despite that beautiful sunshine to end off the week. A cold day Saturday as well. Chance for a little bit of snow on Sunday. Nothing major, it looks like at the moment. We will manage 20s there, and again early next week. Tuesdays are one day near normal next week, but you can see we do have some teens and lower 20s, and we can expect that chilly trend to continue. We've got more Eyewitness News at 11 coming up after the break. Keep right here with us on WUTR.